Okay, guys, so today we shall talk about electromagnetic waves. So this is unit 5. It will carry 4 marks in the board exams. There is no 5 mark, only 1 and 2 marks in the board exams. It is very easy unit, easy chapter, only one chapter in this unit 5. But it is very important unit. So in this electromagnetic waves, I shall talk about what is actually electromagnetic waves in our daily life. We have already experienced in these electromagnetic waves in our daily life. Kan ni tin na he electromagnetic waves hi kan tongin kan hmang thina ni chu kalo sei dona enge electromagnetic waves tak chu. And then I'll talk about displacement current and origin of electromagnetic waves, and also what are Maxwell equations and history of electromagnetic waves. So, and also Hertz experiment. So in the end, we are going to know about these 6 things. So first of all, I think you all have, I know you all have TV, isn't it? Whether it may be a flat type or cathode ray type. Ka nung pong chi, ani mo flat ti tung lai chan tam to a. Ani khoi train nge TV chon signal adon kan ti chuan internet atangin cable TV operator 10 internet atangin mo andonga chu anlo distribute le tan chu cable mangin chu internet satellite atang chuan tingen ton kan ti chuan with the means of one types of waves transportation chikhat siam thei tu wave trans ama kha wave ani hala chuan kan voice te picture te transport tu kha mo king tu kha wave chikhat kha electromagnetic waves kan ti chuni mo ichun chu ba ka chuan radio te po hian ei radio te station atangin kan lo dong thina ti chuan zai te kun thok tu te huang te thil chi rang kan ngai thla thina kha enge tin nge kan lo ngai thak thei kan ti chuan it is because of electromagnetic waves which is propagating in space with the speed of light eng tluka chakin boru kala but we cannot see with our naked eyes kan mi thian kan mu thei lo ani chu boru kala an modifier an siam danglama ti chuan chu modulation an tia an modulate chuan lo thleng theya an demodulate le a call khan chu kan lo khra theita original voice kamo ti chuan hei remote te pokan hrianga remote kan me chuan boru vekania kengma kan mulowa ti chuan tin nge TV khala channel lo in change kan ti chuan infrared kha kan mu thei lo kha boru ka khana kala chu chuan khala ya call mi kha receiver kha lo umtani photodiode kha khan lo receiver lo change theita it depends upon the frequency channel rang frequency rang ani chu ti chuan this antenna kan ti te hey radio station TV radio station tower te ti chuan in satellite and a picture from earth to satellite and satellite to earth cutting connection song link te then mobile phones atuna kan in biak na zong te mobile phone and picture na zong te po hi e boru ka khan wave kal chu that is called electromagnetic waves kan ti chuni tani mo chuan so in order to know electromagnetic waves we have to know what is displacement current. This is the origin of electromagnetic waves. Okay, so according to Ampere's circuitry law, the line integral of magnetic field be around any closed path or circuit is equal to mu naught times the total current threading the closed circuit. Tinia chun equation pon hoi kan line integral b dot dl equal to mu naught I ti kain hunga ka unit 3 mo magnetism in zir chuan in la zir dona chip chial zokin ka amperes kan hei hello mu chuaka electric field and magnetic field achon a om chuan antinan wire current kala wire current culture electric field siama teach kan ria, and also we know when there is an electric field or a charge is flowing in a wire, then we know that magnetic field also will produce around the wire, isn't it? Ka chu en siam ti kan chetani kami yatan jan he formula hi man tlak ta that kind of current is called, we call it a conduction current, isn't it? Conduction current kan teaching khania hey wire current kaltai amaro chon thil mok ta kom tani chu capacitor chu plate paninia mo capacitor chu intratonga ming capacitor chi sang omani ceramic capacitor te mo electrolytic capacitor te alien te oma chu electronic khola te oma tin electronic path kher poni chong lo wire pani amorang pa phek pani poi capacitor chu ni maya mo khatiang kha akal tlang don khan hemi formula hi man tlak te tat lo ni chu man tlak lo maro chu current chu arong kal chok tho si akara gap on box ya plate panin kara kan in tinge current kal tlang thei si amaro chu he formula tang chuan khami in car current ka if there is no wire no current should flow ni lo mi wire om silo no current om thailo chu wang chun he formula ka chu amon tlak lo amar chu current ron chok ta tlat box ya chu James Clerk Maxwell khala zir chiang ta eng tin nge plate pan in kara current kal thei ti kha zir chiang ta ni chu chun mu chu chu and he found out that in between these two plates an electric field is created, changing electric field lo in siamani ti kha ashitani mo changing electric field chuan kan threat angin electric field magnetic field piang hunang mai it's just like twins when there is magnetic field it usually there is electric field and when there is a electric field changing electric field it will create magnetic field ka khani zela he wire po hian mo electric field magnetic field om dun zela ni so electric field changing electric field om chuan magnetic field po ma chumi ni wang chuan akara khan charge come on an om theyan flow thei tlat mai ni chu field mang khan mo so kami car ola current in siam thei kha displacement current tani conduction chu ni talo a flow ang khan ni talo a field mang khan displacement current lo in siam tani chu mo so James Clerk Maxwell introduced the concept of displacement and yes it is really correct chon formula po tung chok ta tuna ampere circuit formula kha katia plate pani kara current kal thei lo anga ngai ma se kal ring si kha e formula I declare tani chu ibang siam thatangai ta so there is a modified form of ampere circuit law khala tani chu chuan siam thata ti chuan James Clerk Maxwell chuan capacitor om chuan akara changing electric field and magnetic field law ma chuan conduction current siama chuan chu changing electric field and magnetic field chu bawroka it can propagate in space atita chu bawroka kal chok theni electric field and magnetic field hi are rolling however they are perpendicular to each other and they are and also propagate perpendicular to the direction of propagation perpendicular in bawroka khan a phone in kal chok theita ti kha alo soi chok ta formula te po siama derivation sei tak katien deduction mo a deduce sei tak takin textbook a po khan om tani chu mo ti chuanin chu displacement current tuna kan soi kha tiang hian ampere circuit law chuan b dot dl equal to mu naught I ti khania khilaya mi khi alema mi khi plate pani chuni ta chuan James Clerk Maxwell kha chuan tiang hian tuna mi cb annoy mi s1 s2 in hunga khamia kha field kha the surface s1 is bounded by the loop ang khain hunga tro ka field lo in siam na chuni ta tiang khana ni chun theory kha lo propose ta chu lo dik bok ta ni chu ti chuanin ador le chon hi anita asiam thata ani chu dq by dt current equal to e naught d by dt e ti kha lo deduce chok ta equal to e naught d phi e by dt e naught epsilon naught kan ti hi permittivity of free space ania nakina chiang jokin permittivity of free space kan la soya ka lo deduce chok ta formula thar mu chok ta chuna noyami kha now ampere circuit law becomes the khani tani chu line integral b dot dl equal to mu naught in bracket I plus epsilon naught d phi by dt phi kha electric flux tinani phi e ni chon electric flux ti khani ya it's a formula thar lo mu chok ta hemi hi electromagnetic waves lo chona bul thut chuni ta mo ti chon displacement current chunge now what is displacement current the current which flows through some part of an electrical circuit due to change of electric flux with time is called displacement current ti khani ya chon electromagnetic wave chu kha alema khanin hunga so the red color represents electric field and the yellow color represents the magnetic field tiang khan boroka perpendicular in a phone chuaka malam pan si khan malama pana ma se phone chu chunglam le pheilam ania in perpendicular vector XYZ exists in boroka kalani chu ichon hoin mong khan the changing electric field will produce changing magnetic field likewise changing magnetic field will produce changing electric field anitani ichon he able to bear it is due to the accelerated charge present in the capacitor or we can say in any field man roa ta engam accelerated charge om chuan if there is an accelerated charge accelerated charge alo omani chuan then that accelerated charge will produce changing electric field and magnetic field also just as in capacitor inside the capacitor capacitor chunga chuan electric field alo in siama changing electric field magnetic field alo in siama chu tiang che chuan accelerated charge pon siam thei ta ni chu thil pan hi chuan electromagnetic waves allo pe chok thei ta chuan in hey moving charge ring out will not produce electromagnetic waves and in wire rakhian a charge should flow ni so due to the flow of charge we can say there is a conduction current kal kan tia amar chu kha khan electromagnetic waves pe chok mi alo because it is not accelerated and there is no change in electromagnetic field continuously chu ani tani capacitor ate accelerated charge the chok khan siam chok thei tani chu ti chuan in Maxwell khan han sir china tang khan formula pali ama Gauss theorem an ti te for magnetism at for electricity mi te kha sir chiang ta aman as a sui chok vele ta chiang zok in zir ta ti chuan in hemi te pali hi Maxwell equation an ti chuni tani aman mu chwa to kha zir chiang in aman chiang zok in aron sei fia ta dik zok in chu for Maxwell equation an ti chuni ya so you will learn this detail in others unit in unit 3 and unit 1 okay so no need to explain much and next so Maxwell equation for Maxwell equation kan ti kha poimo mm it is the basic equation basic law in electromagnetism subject in zir chuan mo physics peng pakhat in zir chuan hemi for laws poimo em ani mobile phones ate lasers radio astronomy radar atan he law pali hi poimo lutukani ti khang tar lang le duwa so this is James Clerk Maxwell. So we'll talk about history of electromagnetic waves. In 1865, Maxwell predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves on the basis of mathematical equations called Maxwell equations. Maxwell equations can say to ani kha modified form of Ampere circuit law te ani kha. John James Clerk Maxwell khan sang khazre sumruk panga khan electromagnetic waves theory hi ti chuak ta ama sema khan asiam chuak thei chong lova mo ama khan asiam chuak thei chong lowani masala I asoi kha lo dik em atun thleng point in biak ponan te kan manga radio te thungai thlan te TV te thil munan te internet in biak ponan song heng James Clerk Maxwell an alo thora khovela hian he thil electromagnetic waves omani ti kha alo sui kha I alo tikani chuan I aman rosium saber tu chu I Henry Hertz khani tani sangka jare somriat pasaria in 1887 Hertz experimental demonstrated the production of electromagnetic waves by using spark oscillator kha alemami ka spark oscillator chunia mo ti chuan in kha ele b in kara khan spark gap oman spark khan electric magnetic changing electric and magnetic field kha boro ka alo chuak ta ni chu sangka jariat somriat pasari James Clerk Maxwell and a theory a soi nu kum som ni chuang kha kum som ni pani a khan nu a khan atak takin lo siam theita scientist te panan tumna sama che Hertz ro pui khomai Henry Rudolph Hertz hian alo siam chok theita chu hang chon aming join frequency hi Hertz kan tita the success of Hertz experiment was acknowledged by naming the SI unit of frequency as Hertz kan lo titani chu mo ichuan asiam choma sakber ka chu a wavelength ka 6 meter lion ya fan thuil tu wavelength ka chon thui po kal thailo in chungdung vel chan chok ka kal thea meter klem te no few meters only chona nuwa after 7 years Jagdish Chandra Bose Khan he can produce a range in the range of 5 millimeter to 25 millimeter khalo siam chok theta he wavelength toite te ka chon a toile sei khan lo siam chok to zela modi and develop zel chon 1896 Marconi discovered that if one of the spark gap terminal is connected to an antenna spark gap pakhar ka kan connect chuan the other terminal is art leilama kan art chuan the rt khan hai leya connect tinani chumo the electromagnetic waves radiated go to several kilometer tam tak thui kha alo phone chok thei alo propagate thei ta ni chu mo ichon ama saberata ni sangka jari som ko 1899 Marconi first established wireless communication across the English Channel mo across kilometer somnga lai 50 kilometer kha thleng kha kal thei tur kha Marconi guklil mo Marconi khan alo siam chok thei ta ni chu mo ro pui kho meka khan develop dan tuna chuan a changkang tolu tuka internet bo kan man na sat to je mobile phones kan biak na song te radio station pek cho song te heng song electromagnetic waves frequency chi rang apek cho ani thani chu luna lema kan hu hi spark oscillator tho khania Heinrich Hertz na siam cho tho khani tikhan when kan zir lai chu kan zoa so we learn about electromagnetic waves and displacement current, origin of electromagnetic waves, and then also about Maxwell equations, history of electromagnetic waves in Hertz experiment. Dekha kan lo zirta ti chonin zona hi kan chang turani what is displacement current? Write down the four Maxwell's equations. Who predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves? Who experimentally demonstrated the production of electromagnetic waves? This is the assignment. Okay. So, electromagnetic waves is nothing but a changing electric field and magnetic field propagate in space which are perpendicular to each other. Dikhania and it is very, very useful nowadays. We use in TV, mobile phones, radio stations, and internet connection, like, and also satellite and all this. Heng zong zong ina man biak pona tan kan man hi electromagnetic waves, but we cannot see with our naked eyes, and it travel with the speed of light. Heng tu ka chakina kal ni bawro ka khan mo ikane. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.